Hello from all of us at Gracious Wisp Car Rentals. In this quick video, we will show you how to safely and easily change the tire of your Toyota Hilux 4x4. Please follow these steps carefully to ensure your safety and the proper care of the vehicle. Are you ready? Let's go! Step 1. Park safely. Pull over to a flat, stable surface away from traffic. Engage the handbrake and put the vehicle into first gear for a manual or park for the automatic. Turn on your hazard lights. Place the red warning triangle a distance behind your vehicle. Place large stones diagonally opposite to the flat tire for extra safety. Step 2. Gather tools and retrieve spare tire. Retrieve the jack and car tool kit from the vehicle. These are usually under the rear seat. Retrieve the spare tire. Locate the spare tire release mechanism using the special tool provided. Insert the wrench and turn it counterclockwise to lower the spare tire to the ground. Once lowered, the spare may be held by a cable that needs to be unhooked before removing the tire. Carefully pull the tire from under the vehicle, ensuring it's fully detached before lifting. Step 3. Loosen the wheel nuts. Use the L-shaped lug wrench to loosen, but do not remove, the wheel nuts on the flat tire. Turn each nut counterclockwise. This is easier while the tire is still on the ground. Step 4. Position the jack. Locate the jacking point nearest to the flat tire. Refer to your Hilux manual if unsure. Place the jack securely and begin to lift the vehicle until the flat tire is just off the ground. Never put any part of your body under the vehicle while it is jacked up. Step 5. Remove the flat tire. Finish unscrewing the wheel nuts and keep them in a safe place. Carefully remove the flat tire and set it aside. Step 6. Fit the spare tire. Align the spare tire with the wheel studs and push it into the hub. Hand tighten the wheel nuts as much as possible. Step 7. Lower the vehicle. Use the jack to lower the vehicle until the tire just touches the ground and cannot spin. Now, use the lug wrench to fully tighten the nuts in a star or diagonal pattern for even pressure. Step 8. Final checks. Lower the vehicle completely and remove the jack. Retighten the wheel nuts firmly in a star pattern. Return all tools and the flat tire to their storage locations. If you experience any issues on the road, please contact us. Our team will guide you and provide further assistance as needed. Step 9. Drive safely. If you have any doubts or need assistance, please contact our support services number. Your safety is our priority. Drive with confidence.